All right, to speed this up, we're going to go ahead and do that hack where we're just going to cut this line off, and then we're going to use a socket and a ratchet. He's going to cut that off as close as he possibly can to that. There you go, Jerry. And then he's going to use this and just a socket to get up on there and get that out of that original piece. We'll have to bleed the brakes and all that, obviously.
Yeah, it's a different size.
It's the right size. The problem is it's rounded off. So we'll figure out how to get that on there. Okay. Yeah, there you go. You need to go push it on further. That's what's because it's rounded. Maybe get something to pry behind it and get it up on there. We can always get it out of the socket later. Small little pry bar or something and work it up on there. And that's exactly why. Go ahead and right behind the ratchet. Behind it there.
Yeah, you gotta move your hand.
Okay. Pry that on a little bit. There you go. Perfect. And now we should be able to get that out of there. There you go. And that's your hack for the day. That's if you are not reusing the brake lines. On a classic car like this, I suggest just cutting them. Don't waste your time. Don't bust your knuckles, etc. That's the fastest way to do it.